Welcome to a world where architectural brilliance meets California's golden sunlight. Today, we take you inside one of the most extraordinary modern mansions in Beverly Hills, a masterpiece of design, luxury, and elegance, waiting to take your breath away. Get ready to experience the pinnacle of luxury living in the heart of California. This iconic modern estate, surrounded by palm trees and kissed by the sun, is not just a home, it's a lifestyle dream come true. Nestled in the rolling hills of California, this architectural gem is more than just a mansion, it's a symphony of light, space, and impeccable design. Crafted for those who seek the finest things in life, every corner of this estate tells a story of elegance and timeless beauty. From the soaring ceilings to the sun-kissed terraces, this is where dreams take shape and luxury finds its true meaning. Get ready to step inside and discover a world where every detail is designed to inspire. Let's begin this unforgettable journey. As you arrive, the grand entrance welcomes you with towering doors, gleaming marble steps, and an elegant driveway lined with exotic cars. Every detail whispers sophistication, from the lush green palms to the sunlit stones beneath your feet. Step through the gates where luxury meets nature. A sweeping driveway curves through manicured gardens, leading to a majestic entryway that sets the tone for the opulence within. Here, even the journey to the front door feels like a red carpet moment. Inside, the living room unfolds in grand proportions, bathed in natural light pouring through towering glass walls. Italian designer furniture, soft neutral palettes, and golden accents create a space where elegance and comfort dance in perfect harmony. Inside, the living room unfolds in grand proportions, bathed in natural light pouring through towering glass walls. Italian designer furniture, soft neutral palettes, and golden accents create a space where elegance and comfort dance in perfect harmony. The heart of the home is this exquisite chef's kitchen, a bright haven of marble, gold, and clean lines. Whether hosting grand dinners or quiet mornings, every inch radiates style and functionality, illuminated by the generous daylight streaming in. With gleaming quartz counters and designer fixtures, this kitchen is not just a place to cook, it's a statement of refined taste. The sunlight bounces off every surface, turning everyday moments into extraordinary culinary experiences. Dine in unparalleled beauty, where the indoors seamlessly merge with the great outdoors. Set against sweeping views of California's hills, the dining space offers a symphony of textures, fresh flowers, rustic woods, and golden light, all in perfect balance. Imagine unforgettable meals shared in the sunlit dining sanctuary, framed by panoramic glass doors that open to blue skies and rolling landscapes. Here, every gathering becomes a celebration of beauty, flavor, and connection. 3445. Retreat to the master suite, your personal slice of paradise. Wrapped in soft linens, golden light, and calming neutral tones, this sanctuary offers tranquility with a touch of glamour. Complete with sweeping balcony views of the endless blue sky. Here in the master bedroom, mornings begin with sunlight spilling through glass doors, and evenings end with peaceful breezes from the terrace. It's a space where luxury meets serenity, crafted to cradle you in comfort and style. Thank you for joining us on this exclusive tour of California's finest modern mansion. If you dream of living this luxury lifestyle, don't forget to subscribe and stay connected for more breathtaking homes around the world. Your journey through this iconic estate ends here, but the dream continues. Hit subscribe and let us bring you more extraordinary properties and inspiring luxury living ideas. Because your dream home is just one video away.